Hi guys, it's Cindy Leach, your polymer clay tutor, and this is the introduction video to my paid tutorial series, Shoreline Bracelet. Now this is a really neat polymer clay technique that I came up with just by accident. In fact, here are a pair of earrings that I made. I had a bunch of clay that I was mixing together, and it was a bunch of scrap clay, and when I ran it through the Paso machine, one of the sides that came out looked just like this. And I thought it looked just like a beach scene with the sky and the water and rocks and things. And I thought I would see if I could mimic that again and come up with the same idea over and over, and I could. So I've got this neat technique now where you can create a blend that looks like this, like a beach scene, and we're going to be making tiles like this one here. And I'm also going to be showing you in the tutorial how to make twisted wire jump rings and a really neat little clasp like this with a hook on it that is unusual and looks really good with this shoreline technique. I think it actually looks a little like rope. And I'll show you a few other examples here. Here's one where, now of course this technique, it's going to look different each time depending on the bits of clay that you use. This one is a little different here. It has a bit of a softer look. The colors are a little bit more on the denim side, and the sand area here is a little bit softer looking. I've got another bracelet here where the blend was a little less straight, and a softer blend because the clay that I was using was a lot softer, and it ends up looking a little bit more like water coming onto the sandy shore, which is quite cool looking. And then I've made some earrings like I showed you here with the original pieces, and pearls look beautiful. Pearls and shells and anything to do with the beach look really great with this technique. Now here is a pair of earrings where actually the clay that was left over from this bracelet here, you can see the colorways are the same. I had some strips of clay left over and I folded them and ran them through the Paso machine a couple more times, so I got a much more softer blend here, and it has a very pretty look as well, almost a little bit more on the modern side, whereas this has a little bit more of a rustic side to it. And then I have a pendant back here where I've just done the same thing as the earrings, only I've added a large link here with a piece of mother of pearl shell in the center, just kind of to accent it. And it has a long, clean, modern sort of look to it, even though it has quite an earthy feel to it. I think you're really going to enjoy this tutorial. I teach a lot of different neat things in it, so I will see you in the next video of this series.